Lentil has become more and more popular these days because it's a very healthy food. And I have some red lentil here, I can show you, and some green lentil here. And the green one is French. And you don't have to soak the green lentil before cooking. Just wash them thoroughly in water. And the dish I'm going to make is pork shin with lentil. And I have 250 grams here and a piece of lovely shin of pork. So I have some water here and I'm going to put the pork in the saucepan. And now the pork is covered with water and 2 carrots and then an onion with say 4 to 5 cloves. Put the clove into the onion. 1, 2, 3, and then cut the 2 ends off, and then put another one on both ends like this. And then into the water. Some spring onion. And I'm going to prepare my bouquet garni. 2 to 3 bay leaves. Some spring onion. And I'm going to prepare my bouquet garni. 2 to 3 bay leaves, celery, and I have some fresh thyme here, and some parsley, and just press them together, and then the bay leaf with a piece of long string, just tie it around like this, and then put it in the water. And this dish is very simple and very rustic. And what am I going to do with the lentil? Well, I'm not going to add the lentil at this time because I think the pork will take at least 1.5 hours to 2 hours to cook. So I will add the lentil 30 minutes before the pork is cooked. So now I have all the ingredients here except the lentil, and I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to put now my shin of pork has been cooking for 1 hour and 30 minutes, and I'm going to add my green lentil to finish it off for another 30 minutes. And I'm going to add my green lentil to the pork to finish off the cooking. Just make sure all the lentil is in the broth. and let it cook for another 30 minutes. My Shin pork is cooked now, so I'm going to turn off the gas. Look at this. I'm going to remove the pork from the pan. Spoon the lentil around the pork. And also the onion too. Let me turn the plate around. I didn't put any salt in the cooking of the pork because in France, the Shin pork is usually sold slightly salted, very healthy and very tasty. A very rustic and country dish, and very French too. Shit. No, you don't have, no, it's okay. Okay, I'll pick it up. And put it on the plate. Oh, it's not easy. Oh.